Alright, let's test out the signals. Left. Right. Okay, so now since we're done with those 4 wires, I'm just gonna tuck it in this wiring loom. I found out what this plug is. This is a horn. So if you want to hook up an extra horn, I believe this is an extra plug for a horn. Okay, and the fog light for the JDM headlight, I'm gonna leave this exposed because I'm gonna have to find a switch for the fog light and figure out how to wire it up. So I'm just gonna leave it tucked in here with the rest of the wires. Okay, that concludes that for the headlight plug for the JDM, except the fog light. Okay, so now we have here is our JDM harness plug and our USDM. Here are the 2 plugs for the washer fluid. The JDM only has 1. This is the JDM, and the USDM has 2. And the other one is for the rear wiper. But anyways, getting back, so what we're gonna do, and the USDM harness has this extended wire for the corner lights. And so what we're gonna do with these corner lights is we're gonna take these 2 green and the 2 grounds. This we already took for the city light. So we're gonna route the turn signal wires to the corner light here and the signal light on the fender. So I know that on the JDM, let's find it here. Here it is. This plugs into the corner of the headlight. And if you look at this color of this wire, green and blue stripe with silver dot. This one is also green with blue stripe with silver dot. So this is the JDM plug. So I'm just gonna snip maybe a little bit past this, towards the center of the wire loom. And so the USDM plug, we're gonna wire it to this guy. We're gonna trim them just a little bit past. Okay, since I'm done with this, I can go ahead and set this to the side. All right, now we're gonna put the loom that belongs to this plug back on. Okay, so what's great about this is that this is the exact identical plug. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave this plug and I'm just going to route it. I'm just going to route it to the Fender and then plug it in. It's the same plug. Now I'm just going to button up the USDM wiring loom. Okay, with my electrical tape, I'm going to go ahead and tape up this harness and make it look as OEM as possible. Okay, so now we got the wiring harness for the headlight, the washer fluid, plugs, the signal light on the Fender, and the signal light on the headlight. So these go in this hole. We'll route it in this hole. Along with the signal for the Fender. And then this is gonna and I believe this goes in here for the corner light. Yes, it does. So this has to go in this hole also. This will plug here. When we put the washer fluid on, and this guy, I will route for the Fender signal light. And in here, this plugs okay, that plugs there, and that's it.